first pillar, which is helping customer deploy or use safe business-related artificial intelligence for work. This is where the free Copilot comes in. It used to be called Bing Chat. Now it's called just Copilot, all right? And the great thing is that if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, then you basically, and you sign into Copilot, because any user in the world can use Copilot for free. You can download it on your app, on your phone, which I totally recommend. If you're using Microsoft Edge, then you will have the Copilot. It's the first button there on your Edge browser. And if you're not logged in, like if you're just on Bing, for example, or you're just browsing, or if you go to copilot.microsoft.com, you will log in right away, but you will be not in the unsafe environment, but you'll be in the web public free environment. And we all know that web public and free means that whatever you're teaching, you're asking the Copilot, it's learning, it's kind of understanding, it's using your data basically. But if you are if you have an M365 account, basically access to Entra, and you log in with your company information, you'll get that green protected icon up there, which basically means that this is a 100% private session. Every time you create a prompt, if you close your screen and you come back and you ask it a question, it will be 100% brand new. And your data does not teach or train the LLM in any way, shape, or form. So this is why if you, there's the Copilot that is free and available for everyone, just like ChatGPT, not recommended for business users. And then there's the Copilot that basically comes with or becomes the protected or the green Copilot, right? Because it comes with commercial data protection. And then there is the Copilot for Microsoft 365, which is this one right here on the right, and what's the one that's the advanced one, and that's a Copilot that becomes available in all of your Office apps, as we will see. And that's the Copilot where basically it doesn't even need to be connected to the internet if you don't want it to. It can just be connected within your Microsoft graph of the company. So it has access to your Teams messages, your emails for all users, your OneDrive files, your SharePoint. It knows everything about your company, and it's integrated into each and every Office app. So if you open Excel, you'll have Copilot there waiting to prompt, right? And we will see how powerful it is, right? So there's two Copilots. If you're using, of course, Copilot for M365, you can also activate the web plugin, which will basically use the web Copilot to also basically match your answer with your company data and with the internet. But also that is just an option. Copilot for Microsoft 365, the main difference is that this is the Copilot for your Microsoft M365 environment only, right? So I hope this clarifies the difference, and this one makes it a little bit deeper, right? So there's a free Copilot that everyone has access to. You can just go to copilot.microsoft.com right now and play with it, right? And then if you have an M365 license, please do try that and sign in to Copilot, and you'll see automatically that it will become that green protected Copilot, and that's the one called Copilot free, but with commercial data protection, right? And then once you are ready to go for Copilot for M365, that's the one for $30. And the great thing about it is that, of course, it's connected to the web because it uses this Copilot in the first three, but then it also gives you that enterprise-grade data protection. It gives the graph grounding, which means that it has access to all of your information within the company and your Microsoft apps. And one of the really, really cool things is that you also get access to Copilot Studio, which allows you to create your own Copilot. So if you want to create a chatbot, or if you want to create a Copilot just for your tech services team to kind of like just have like access to all of like their support information, or if you want to create a Copilot for your marketing team, or if you want to create a certain Copilot for customers, like that accesses, I don't know, like fuel prices around the world, and it can be like what's the gas price today everywhere, Copilot. This is the Copilot Studio that you get, and it's all based on low coding. So anyone can use it, anyone can create their AIs. And of course, if you need support, this is also something as a data and AI partner that we love to do.